Stop by and take a look at the 2017 Silverado 1500. The Chevy Silverado 1500 has the lowest cost of ownership of any full-size pickup and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 100,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, four-wheel drive, tow hitch, hill descent control, heated mirrors, electronic stability control, alloy wheels, aluminum wheels, brake assist, traction control. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.